Good morning. How's it going, friends? As you can tell by the state of my windshield, I'm currently on my way to get a car wash. And then today we're going to be attending the, I don't know if grand opening is the right word, but will it be attending at least the opening of Revhard Motors, which I believe is a dealership that deals with selling you Japanese import cars that are finally able to be imported. So there should be some cool cars there. There should be some, non-JDM cars there as well, of course. But looking forward to that. So I'll catch you guys whenever the next interesting thing happens. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also have a test drive for the Lucid Air Grand Sport electric car today. So I'll be showing you some footage from there. It's gonna be me and my dad in there actually, so we'll see how great we are with filming together. But gonna show you some footage from there at least, and kind of see what it's like on the interior of one of those things if you haven't already. Do I go left or right? I think I go left.
Up to you.
Let's go left so we can go on the freeway a little bit. This is crazy. Funimpe Swift right away, no?
Yep.
What else? Let's do some massaging. Who's this for? Oh, passenger, please. Or driver. Yeah, there we go. Can I not start the massage if I am already driving? I don't think I can start a massage if I'm driving. Oh my god, I didn't click on massage. Okay. There we go. Wave muff. Oh.
Start the way for me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy that you can get a massage and be like in a 900 horsepower electric car. Well, let's try out the sound system, if I'm honest. Hello? Can I get some crazy stuff? Is that a Lambo? This doesn't sound very different from my car or any other car that I've been in, so I don't know.
Whoa! Whoa!
That was pretty fun.
Yeah.
But like, I think if you do that like 10 times, you get bored of it, I'm sure. What is this song? Oh, one thing that I forgot to do was keep calm and love hairdressers. And another thing I forgot to do was actually take a picture of my car next to the Lucid Air. There's this one vlogger I watch. He's from New York. His name is Zay Exclusive. I really like all of his videos, and it's so funny. He does these videos where he's like, I'm getting this car for my next car or whatever. And taking a picture of next cars next to each other and then using it for the thumbnail. It's really funny. Awesome. We made it out here. The wash is a little rough around the edges. Got to clean that up later, but let's get some clips of some cars, man. I was gonna film this awesome Porsche here. I love this color. I think I've actually filmed it previously talking about this color. I don't know though at this point. But look at that. Is that a cappuccino? Is that what those are called? With the doors all the way up? I'm gonna go film that for sure. That's awesome. There's some awesome cars parked back here. I could fit that car in my trunk. Look at this, it's an old Alfa Romeo Giulia. This is really cool. I don't even know what year this is. I've never really seen one of these. I just saw it said Giulia on the interior. Look at that. Oh, I got it. Look at that. All right, guys, well, it's actually nice enough out to where I'm gonna go ahead and take the go-kart out. It's been forever since I've been able to, and actually it's about to snow again this week, so I figured I might as well take advantage and actually take it out for a spin and get some of my money's worth. You know, I spent a little too much on this, so might as well fucking make use of it.
It's lights out and away we go. Russell does get away well, as does Max Verstappen, and Valtteri Bottas has got his teammate right alongside him already. Sergio Perez is trying to challenge as George Russell goes into the first turn, and George Russell takes the lead of the Sakhir Grand Prix. Valtteri Bottas is second and gets all out of shape coming out of turn 2. That's going to give Perez and Verstappen.
Okay. All right. Well, you know what has to happen now. Ah, yes, a beautiful, oh my God, I can't even talk right. A beautiful day in the countryside, doing a completely normal thing. Look at me. Boys, I found him. The Easter Bunny.
But science continues.
Let's see what happened with George Russell now and Carlos Sainz. Lewis Hamilton on the right-hand side as he then goes into the corner. Oh, Sainz came across George Russell. Who was at fault there?
Carlos was taking the racing line up there, and George trying to claim the apex, but he was all locked up. George Russell hadn't got full control of his car.
Come on, what happened there?
I stay strapped, motherfucker. I apologize, guys. I'm a big klutz. I was sitting here editing my video, and I forgot to actually introduce the underglow part of the video. So I ended up getting some underglow on my car, and I have not uploaded clips from it to a vlog yet, but it actually fit very well into this one. It fit into the, you know, the little time limit we've got. And so yeah, here we go. Here's some clips of all the underglow footage that I've got. So enjoy. Well, guys, I think that's it for today. I've got more car content coming tomorrow, and I've got another video coming up of our Hyundai enthusiasts cruise through the mountains last week. I'm still trying to get all the clips together for that. They're going to get edited and stuff soon, hopefully, so you'll see that uploaded in a little bit. But I'm really looking forward to that one. I think we got a ton of footage that I can edit together and stuff, so that's going to be fun. But I'm trying to think. I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.